a brighter tomorrow. A very blissful morning to one and all present here. Today I, Anita Singh, and I, still the same, feel honored to begin with our today's assembly.
O God, we offer you today our work and studies. Guide us in our lessons. And teach us our daily duties.
Thought of the week is just like a seed needs to be grown. Our struggle shapes new buildings. So with courage and make a house of hope.
वीरता के बीच जहाँ बोए गए, आशा के खेत वहाँ लहराए, बलिदान की गाथा बहती है जहाँ, वैसाखी महादीप जलाए।
For us, Vaisakhi is just a festival or a celebration. But for the people of Punjab, especially for the Sikh community, it was a revolution.
A farmer sows seeds month before he sees a single sprout. He waters the soil, stands under the sun, prays through the storms, not knowing when the harvest will come. That is sacrifice. But one day the earth responded. Green shoots rise, field turns gold. That is hope. So whether you are growing crops or growing dreams, remember every sacrifice until now will one day return as harvest. If not today, then soon. This is the real meaning of Vaisakhi, a silent promise between the earth and the soul.
Vaisakhi, seeds of sacrifice, where every sacrifice paid a price. Vaisakhi, harvest of hopes, where a ray of hope is never broke. Celebrated on the birth of Sikh's first Guru, what a great man, they had no clue. Celebrated with visits to Gurudwaras and vibrant processions, as if the Panch Pyare are saying a confession. This festival gives farmers the joy they deserve. It's not about the festival, it's the culture they preserve.
Vaisakhi is not just a harvest festival, but it is a celebration of hard work, resilience, and new beginning. It teaches us that before any success, there must be struggle. Just like farmers sow their seeds with patience and care, we too must also invest effort and time into our dreams and dreams.